After this video, you won't be able to lose anymore, even if you want to. I'm going to introduce two indicators with very special settings that are going to blow your mind. Yes, you heard that right. This is exactly what you've been looking for and what you need. Are you ready? Then let's dive in and learn about these awesome indicators with their incredible settings. You've probably watched tons of videos on the internet claiming to have the best indicators of the year, with all the hype and fluff. Forget every indicator you've known so far for a few minutes and stick with me until the end of this video, because after watching, this will be the only indicator you'll use. I'm going to show you two indicators that, when combined, lead to an amazing strategy. Indicator 1, we head to the Indicators section of TradingView and search for Trend Indicator. As you can see, there are many options available, but you must select the version named A_V2ZIV. This indicator is a combination of various moving average models, but more advanced. In addition to the average price, it also indicates the market's direction. In other words, it identifies market trends. When the price is in an uptrend, it shows green, and when the market is bearish, it turns red. One key point to note about this indicator is that whenever you see the colors green and red alternating in a short time span, this indicates a ranging market, signaling that we are in a neutral trend. Now, let's adjust its settings. Go to the Settings panel, set MA type to EMA, change MA length to 21. These are the optimal settings for this indicator. Indicator 2, we search for Super Trend in the Indicators section and select the version by Cavendish. As the name suggests, this indicator not only identifies market trends but also gives us buy and sell signals. This is amazing because many traders, whether beginners or professionals, struggle with finding precise entry points that can be repeated consistently. This indicator can easily solve this problem. However, it also requires some tweaks. Go to the Settings panel. Keep the indicator time frame as same as chart. You can change it to other time frames if you wish, but I recommend keeping it on the chart's time frame. Set ATR period to 9. Do not change the source setting. Adjust ATR multiplier from 3 to 3.9. These are the optimal settings for this indicator. Super Trend Strategy. Before we continue, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please like it. It won't take much of your time but means a lot to us. Your support helps us create better content. Now, since we're using two indicators together, their combination significantly increases the strategy's power. Whenever Supertrend gives us a buy or sell signal, we prepare to enter a position. Note that I said prepare. We don't immediately enter a position upon seeing a signal. We can only enter if the trend indicator confirms the entry as well. Let me explain with an example. Here, the Supertrend indicator gives a sell signal. Now, when we look at the trend indicator, it should also be in a red state to confirm our entry. As you can see, the sell signal is given, and the trend indicator is also red. So we can enter a sell position here. For the stop loss, you can set it behind one or two previous candles. The more secure the stop loss placement, the higher your win rate. For the take profit, you can target 1.5 to 2 times your stop loss. However, since this is a trend-following strategy, you are entering exactly where the trend begins. This means the movement is likely to continue. If you want to aim for more profit, you can place your take profit further away and move your stop loss along with the market's movement. This technique is known as trailing stop loss. This approach allows you to capture the maximum possible profit from a trend. As the price moves lower, you keep lowering your stop loss until it gets hit while in profit. This ensures you maximize your gains from the trend. However, this method is more suitable for experienced traders. If you're a beginner, I recommend sticking to predefined take profit levels. As you practice and gain experience, you can gradually aim for larger profits. Let's look at another example. Here, the super trend indicator signals that we can enter a buy trade, but before entering, we must check whether this is a suitable place to take a buy position or not. This confirmation can also be obtained using the trend indicator, as it is clear. After identifying the buy signal, the trend indicator bar has also turned green, so now we can enter a buy position here. We enter exactly at this point. The stop loss can be set behind one or two previous candles to ensure a safe placement. For the target, we can set the take profit at 1.5 to 2 times the stop loss. You can see that when we use both indicators together for entry and confirmation, the signal strength increases, and we can achieve better results. However, as we always say, no strategy or indicator in the world has a 100% win rate. So it is essential to use an appropriate stop loss in every position. Important note, as the name suggests, this strategy is most effective when the market is trending. It is not suitable for ranging markets. For instance, in this example, you can see that the market is stuck in a long range. This neutral state can also be identified using the trend indicator because the green and red colors keep alternating. In such cases, wait for the price to exit the range and look for opportunities in the subsequent trends. This indicator is incredibly powerful, but you need to backtest it thoroughly to master it. I promise that if you follow all the tips, you can easily make good profits from the market. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Your support is always valuable to us. If you enjoyed the video, please share it with your friends so they can also benefit from this powerful strategy. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.